Hey, Algebra 2 peeps, Mr. Miller here, coming to you from Mr. Miller's lair, Clark High School, doing a little video for you on solving exponential equations. This will be the first topic of the new grading period. Hey, grading period 4, the year is coming to a close very soon. It's very exciting, and then we'll be able to bask in the sun and relax. Summer vacation. Oh, so looking forward to that. But between now and then, we still have work to do. All right, so let's talk about exponential equations. What are they? All an exponential equation is, it's an equation that has the variable in the exponent. So for instance, take a look at this guy right here. 3 raised to the 2x plus 1. Whoa, hold up. Look at that. The variable is in the exponent. It looks weird, but this is a valid equation. We can solve this thing. And by the end of this video, these video examples that I'm going to be doing, you'll be able to solve that. All right, so these are all examples of exponential equations. The variable is in the exponent, and that's what makes it an exponential equation. Now, how are we going to solve these? They look so weird. How would you even begin to solve these things? What I'm showing you, hey, go back. I'm not done with you yet. What I'm showing you here are some steps that will be very helpful to solve these things. These are not meant to be rules to use every single problem you might encounter with exponential equations. But here in the beginning, these steps will not fail you. The first step, isolate the piece that has the variable. Something in the equation is holding that variable hostage. You need to get whatever that something is isolated first. Then you will move to work on that thing to free the thing that has the variable, the exponent. How are we going to do that? We're going to log both sides after we isolate. Now, why is that helpful? That's helpful because we can use those laws of logarithms that we learned about before the break. Particularly the one that's going to be helpful to us is the power law, and that says that if you're taking the logarithm of something, and that something has an exponent attached to it, you can slingshot that exponent down. That's going to be very helpful to us because we have to free our exponent before we can start moving that stuff in the exponent around to get the letter by itself. If you're like, oh my God, this guy, he talks so crazy, I don't understand what he's saying, just, chill out. I'm going to do some examples and it'll be a lot clearer then. So just, let me do my thing right now, write this stuff down, try to let it sink in, and when we do some examples, I think it'll be a lot better. It'll be a lot clearer. Once we've logged both sides and we've um, slungshot our, I wonder if that's even a word, slungshot. If it's not, I think I should write Merriam-Webster. They need to add it, or dictionary.com. Slungshot. Once we've slungshot our exponent down, we're going to then get the variable by itself, which is the end goal. And then this last, obviously I'm just trying to be a little bit humorous here, but really, you should relish in your success. If it takes you 10 minutes to solve one problem, that's still a success. It doesn't matter that it took 10 minutes. You still solved it, and you should, be proud of yourself. Now, at the same time, let's not get an inflated ego. I'm so good. Mr. Miller's so stupid. I should be teaching the class. Um, that's kind of an inflated ego, not good, right? But still, be proud of your successes. Okay, now, I have to stop the video here because I'm going to be using the dot cam in these examples so I can show you how I'm also using the calculator. I am sorry for that. I tried doing this video in one swoop, but I lost all of the data. For some reason, when I'm doing examples with the dot cam, if I go over a certain time limit, it stops recording and then I lose everything. So I'm going to break our 3 examples up into 3 separate shorter videos. I'm sorry for that, but please just deal with it. Click on the next video, example 1, write it down, work it out with me, and then example 2, and then example 3. Okay? Thank you so much. See you in a bit. Adios.